7 cookies, 2 friends, share them fairly. 3 divisions, 3 different answers. Guess each one before I run it. 3.5, 3 and 1. The first says 3.5 each. But you can't hand over half a cookie. The second says 3 whole cookies each. The third says 1 left over on the plate. Same numbers, 3 completely different questions. That single slash, that double slash, and that % sign are 3 of the most useful tools in Python, and by the end of this, you'll reach for all of them without thinking. Let's earn them. Operators. The little symbols that do things to your values. Start with the calculator ones. Plus adds, minus subtracts, and the star, not an X, multiplies. Python borrows the star for times because the letter X would look exactly like a variable name. It's a small thing, but it trips people up on day 1, so lock it in. Star means multiply. Here they are. Add and subtract, as you'd expect. The star multiplies. And a single slash always gives a decimal. Even 10 over 3 comes back as a float. Add 13. Subtract 7. Multiply 30. And divide gives that long decimal. Regular division always produces a float, the 2 stars of the show. Double slash is floor division. It divides and throws away the decimal. 17 over 5 is 3.4, so this gives 3. How many whole 5s fit in 17? And % is modulo, the remainder. 3 5s make 15, leaving 2. So floor division asks how many fit. Modulo asks what's left. Here's why you'll reach for both. Converting units. "137 minutes, floor divide by 60 for the whole hours, and modulo 60 for the leftover minutes." "2, the whole hours. 17, the leftover minutes. Together 2 hours. 17. One more math operator. 2 stars together means raised to a power. 2 stars means to the power of 2 to the 10th is 1,024. And a fractional power is a root. 9 to the half is the square root of 9. 2 to the 10th, 1,024. 9 to the half, 3, the square root, the most common use of modulo. Modulo asks, does this divide evenly? Any even number mod 2 is 0. It divides cleanly. Any odd number mod 2 is 1. So mod 2 is 0 is the classic even test. Eight is even, 0 left over. 7 is odd, 1 left over. 15 divides by 5 cleanly, 0. What order does Python do things in? Python follows the same rules you learned in math class. Multiplication before addition. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Want addition first? Parentheses. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, times 4 is 20. Times first, 14. Parentheses first, 20. A shortcut you'll use everywhere. When a variable updates based on itself, there's a cleaner way. Updating a variable from itself, score becomes score plus 50. Works, but wordy. Plus equals does the same in half the space. Bump score up by 50. 200. 100 plus 50 plus another 50. The same shortcut works for all the operators. Minus equals to subtract times equals to multiply. They all follow the same shape. Operator, then equals, meaning update this variable using itself. You'll see plus equals absolutely everywhere once we start counting things inside loops. It's the standard way to keep a running total. One last family. Connecting to Booleans, comparison operators bridge arithmetic and decisions. Greater than, less than, and their or equal cousins are operators too. But they hand back a Boolean, not a number. Double equals asks, are these equal? 2 signs, because 1 would assign. Ten beats 3, true. 10 equals 10, true. 10 isn't 3, not equal is true. 3 equals 3, true. The everyday 4 do what you expect, but a single slash always gives a decimal. Double slash floors, percent gives the remainder, and that pair splits any total into whole groups, plus what's left. Double star raises to a power, mod 2 tests even or odd. Parentheses control the order, and plus equals updates a variable in place. That's the full toolbox. Take 200 seconds and use floor division and modulo to print it as minutes and seconds. Predict both first. Next, your programs start listening. We read what the user types with input and hit that string versus number trap